50 years old male. He is a known cirrhotic, having a cirrhotic liver. Here we can see, you see the irregular outer surface. This is the liver, irregular outer surface, and this is the ascitic fluid surrounding it. Now our main study area is this one. This is the gallbladder, full of medium strength echoes with you see, this is the portal vein and this is the common bile duct. This is the gallbladder. See the wall of the gallbladder. Let me magnify it for you. Here, the wall, anterior wall, measures approximately 5.3 and is thick. It's full of medium to high strength echoes, and the portal vein is patent. CBD is not dilated. There is no evidence of intrahepatic bile duct ectasia. So far, if there are few segmental, we have to disregard it. Now, here, close to the interior wall, I wish to show you an area. This one. This is an approximately measuring 21 into 22 millimeter, ill-defined, or rather echogenic, with echogenic outer margin, and a cystic area full of echoes, and with few punctate tiny calcifications seen protruding from the anterior wall of the sludge-filled gallbladder, and this is an abscess. Though we don't see the posterior wall enhancement, is the reason is the material within this cystic area, the echogenic areas that you are seeing, are so thick that as the sound reaches its posterior wall, the sound is absorbed, goes back, and we do not see the posterior wall enhancement. However, if you give us a little keen eye, you will see some posterior wall enhancement and bright area. Now, if you compare this area with the adjacent liver, this is definitely more echogenic. This linear bright area, more bright than the adjacent liver, is the posterior wall enhancement of low degree because of the reason I just mentioned. So we cannot say there is no posterior wall enhancement. There is. So this is in fact a pericholecystic abscess with this being empyema of the gallbladder in a cirrhotic liver, and the gallbladder in transverse section measures 5.5 millimeter, 5.4 centimeter. So more than 5 is always considered to be as abnormal, and this is 5.5. So this is a distended gallbladder. Otherwise, the pancreas and the spleen, etc., are normal. You see, now these are few echogenic areas that are consistent with tiny calculi within the sludge-filled distended gallbladder. This is our case of the day. Thank you very much.